Welcome to the YouTube Did YouTube channel. I'm your host Ernst Bar, and check out also our YouTube Did website and weekly Super Thursday session. Hey guys, are you ready for another cool session? This is the summary from last week during our Super Thursday about the design review. So earlier we were focusing on the integration about different disciplines, so how to combine road bridges, utilities together and work all together in an integrated way in 2D and in 3D. So now we're going to focus on the formal design review in the middle here. So we're going to use the iTwin services. That means we can bring from every discipline, road bridges, utilities, buildings, we can bring it all together in a iModel, which is going to be shared in the iTwin service. Um, so right now, you can also check it on the website of Bentley about iTwin services, what it is. But here you see one of the examples. So thanks to Christian from Circo, he did do this session, but I will do the summary. So what you see is here the web browser, and you can, when you publish your design or your iModel, it becomes available on a during with a web interface. So that's what you see in the top left. So design review. So this is the navigator, but then the web-based navigator. Um, and here on the lower left, you see I've done the comparison, so you can compare different kind of versions with each other. So I will show you the highlights from last week. So basically what you see is three colors. So green has been added to the model, blue has been modified, and red has been removed. So let's see what has been modified during this two versions. So it's going to compare, it has compared two different versions. So you can imagine like existing like your new latest version and your previous version. So what you can do, you can select any elements and you can select what has been changed. So I'm going to select it. So now you will see two different views. So on the left side, you see the most recent version. The right side, you see the previous version. So these are the geometry changes. In the bottom, you see the properties. So here you see all the properties. It has the same color set, so that means blue was, let me check, has been changed, right? So you see here the number has been changed, and also here the description has been changed. Green was added, so you see in the on the right side this has in previous version nothing. Now in this version it has the descriptions. So you can also show only design changes. So there were only elements or attributes added and attributes modified. Um, so it's really easy to compare, and so you can keep track of all the changes, which is otherwise a really hard task to get, especially with big models like this. So I will go back. So you get the entire model here. Um, so I will turn them all on. You can also stop the comparison if you want, but mm, like now you see the entire model. So the same thing what we have been showing last week is to do the issues. So what you can do, you can create your own review comments like this. Mm, Okay, so you have to click on the element and then it's going to give you a form where you can enter your subject, your due date, the status, assigned to, and the description. So during the session we were doing one test where we did the role play that Christian sent me or assigned me a to-do thing. So here what I've done, when you submit something, it will go back to the you get an email or you get a notification in your connection client. So like here, I can click on my notification. It will bring us back to the dashboard. So Now it's going to open the dashboard. I will see my same notification here, but more interesting as well is to see that you will get a dashboard with all the statistics. So like here you see how many issues are still open, what is the longest which has been open, what is the average amount of days that it takes to close the issues, all this kind of information. So you've got all the lists which can be exported if needed to an Excel list, but you keep track of all the changes. These dashboards can also be changed or created by yourself as a project manager. Um, so you got the review options in the web browser and you've got your dashboard here. So that was a quick overview what we have done last week. Hopefully see you this Thursday where we're going to talk about drawings again created from the 3D models. Okay, bye bye for now.